We have original and counterfeit cartridges available in open market. Below are the differentiation about the both. First, original. The packing material. It's a hard foil. It's a loose, flimsy foil. Second is the sealing on the top. It gets a double sealed. It's a normal seal. Third, there are different logos and different fonts which are used in the counterfeit product, and where there are different logos, fourth, the original HP cartridges will come in a complete vacuum pack condition. You can see the packaging has wrapped in itself around the cartridge. The counterfeit cartridge has an air bubble inside it, and you can see the cartridges moves around because it has an air bubble. Over here, how hard I press, I cannot move the cartridge around. Fifth, the brand shows its manufacturing date and the warranty over here on the bold text, whereas the counterfeit, it's written over here. Sixth, MRP. The MRP of the brand is in this way. It's a small tank. The MRP of the counterfeit, it's this big. It's a different font.